PU Prime is the best broker out there at the minute, and today we're going to be talking about their Refer a Friend promotion. PU Prime is a company that values your trust, and their Refer a Friend program allows you to earn bonuses while sharing them with your friends, your family, and your network. And this is done simply by inviting them to trade with PU Prime. The process is very simple. You just share your referral link with your friends. However, the program is not just about you. Your friends often benefit from this as well. They will receive benefits like trading bonuses or other exclusive offers that are going on at the time. This makes it a win-win situation for both of you. The more successful referrals you make, the more potential rewards that you can gain. This can significantly boost your trading capital or give you other perks for you to capitalize on. By referring your friends to PU Prime, you're giving them the best competitive spreads out there, giving them a massive list of instruments to trade, valuable and responsive support, and other advanced trading tools. There is a whole world of value within PU Prime. As you gain more referrals, PU Prime allows you to track how many referrals that you have and the rewards that you've earned, ensuring transparency and ease of management. The long-term value is that you can build a network of traders which can present you with a more vibrant trading community and potentially unlock future perks from PU Prime themselves. Now we're going to jump over to our phone so I can show you how to get started within the app. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Okay, so as you can see guys, we are in the PU Prime app, and I'm just going to run through quickly how to get to the Refer a Friend links. So you head over to Primo and you can see the Refer Friends in the bottom left, so you're just going to go ahead and click that. Now you are on the main page. Now, obviously, you can get started by clicking Invite Friends at the bottom, but we're just going to scroll down a little bit to just show you a little bit more. So you can see the referral rewards. This is the reward count that you're going to get from referring your friends. As you scroll down, you can see your referral list. So the friends, how many accounts they have opened, the funds that your friends have deposited, and what they have traded. Now, how it works is that obviously you'll share your link with your friends, and then you'll go ahead and grab your reward. So once your friends have opened live accounts using your exclusive link, that's when you'll start seeing all the bonuses come your way. As you move a little bit further down, you can see that you can check your rewards, and then you can see how the rewards are going with your friends as well. And once you're ready to go, hit the Invite Friends now at the bottom there, and you will get your exclusive link to send to your friends so that you can start capitalizing on all the bonuses that come with that. As you can see guys, that setup was super simple, and the perks that you get from all your referrals are massive and very beneficial to you. So to get going, the links are in the comment below. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get updated on my next video.